There is Kallol Joshi. There is Kallol Joshi also, who is one of the presenting architects, but he could not make it because he got stuck at services, which is in some way a part of Joshi Saab's larger kind of family, larger group of associated architects.
We have discussed already, and we are working together, and we have done things together. One person should share all the ideas. Please. Two people on the ground, and the whole space range of 65 meters by 40 meters is built without any support, because we start bolting from the corners, and it keeps on happening, and it's the simplest form. There you can see that's how the space works, and it's 65 meters by 40 meters.
This is the famous Udayan project, that's the Pahar project, and Joshi Saab was involved here, and this team was involved. এই দু প্রজেক্টটা কলকাতা শহরে আছে। আমার জন্য এটা খুবই একটা গর্বের দিন, কারণ দোষী সাহেব আমার জন্য একজন বিখ্যাত আর্কিটেক্ট শুধু নন, আমার নিজের জীবনে ওনার একটা বড় অবদান আছে। উনি একটা গুরুর মতন, আমি ওনাকে শ্রদ্ধা করি, এবং আমি ওনার থেকে শুধু আর্কিটেকচার ডিজাইন ছাড়া আমি ওনার থেকে অনেক কিছু শিখেছি, বিশেষ করে জীবনের সম্পর্কে, ফিলসফি, লাইফ ইত্যাদি। এবং উনি যবে কলকাতা আসতেন, প্রায় ৩২ বছর আমার সম্পর্ক রয়েছে ওনার সঙ্গে। উনি অনেক সময় আমার বাড়িতেই থাকতেন, তো আমার সুযোগ হয়েছে অনেক সময় কাটাতে। লাস্ট ইয়ার আমরা ওনাকে ভগবানের মানে উনি চলে গেলেন আমাদেরকে ছেড়ে। তো আমি খুবই আনন্দিত যে আমরা এই ওনার স্মৃতিতে একটা অ্যানুয়াল এক্সিবিশন, দোষী মেমোরিয়াল এক্সিবিশন করতে পেরেছি। এই এক্সিবিশনটা আরম্ভতে আমরা চাইব যে দোষী সাহেবের সাথে যে লোকজন কাজ করেছেন এবং ওনার প্রেরণা থেকে যে আর্কিটেকচার প্র্যাকটিস করেন, তাদের থেকে আমরা কাউকে নেব। এবং আজকে সোহন, ছায়া এবং কাল্লোলজি, যেটা উনি আসতে পারেননি, এই তিনজনের কাজের মন্ডলা ডিজাইন সার্ভিসের নামে ওদের কাজ আছে এখানে, এবং এরা আমাদের সঙ্গেও যুক্ত ছিলেন যবে আমরা উদয়ন উপহার দুটো প্রজেক্ট করেছি দোষী সাহেবের ডাইরেকশনে। তো এটা হলো খুব সংক্ষেপে আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানের একটু ইন্ট্রোডাকশন।
So, to us also, just like to Mr. Nyotia, to us this homage to Balkrishna Doshi is very important, because first 5 years of our life, 6 years, was shaped by this man, and we were transformed as individuals because of his thinking. And I think this is a major impact he has had in India on architectural thought, but on all kinds of thought, on philosophy, as you said. And I think this is important. So the Doshi Memorial Exhibition, when we were asked to make the drawings, we were very happy, and we pulled out all the old drawings from all kinds of corners of our offices, and we found the things which we have presented here.
What made you choose the projects that you've chosen to display, like the Samarkand project, or what were the things that you were considering when choosing the projects and the plans?
Well, one is that it has to have a societal value. That's why you will see, for example, that housing is one of the major things that is there. So housing is a big need in society, and getting good housing requires a lot of thought. So that was one. Second is institutions. Institutions are difficult to because they last for a long time. If you build one college, it will last for 100 years. And so the architecture that you make for that has to take that into account. So take that long term into account. And so some of the institutional projects that we have done, they are displayed here, like this Center for Environment Education in Ahmedabad. And then a few are playful little projects in which there is a sense of enjoying something like houses, and that is there also in the exhibition.
I think he has covered a lot of things. What I would like to add is that when you are working as an architect for some project, it's a long-term relationship. Like these large projects we have done, they last for several years. So that gave us the opportunity to meet with Doshi Saab, to meet Neotia Saab, and it's like a family feeling, because for years we have been meeting and doing things together, and we meet from time to time. So that is another dimension of doing this kind of work, and to bring this work and show here is also been like that family reunion. And I'm talking of something different, he's already talked about it. It's like reunion, and we're meeting old friends and those who have worked together, and it's a very nice way of paying tribute to Doshi sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.